Hi everyone, in this video I wanna explain how to use rice water after you washing your rice before cooking for your healthy hair growth and for your skin too. Because maybe most of people don't know how Japanese women use rice water to promote their healthy skin and hair. And there are so many articles in Japanese how to use rice water, but I think there are not enough articles online how to use rice water properly, because I saw some YouTuber try to imitate the method of Chinese young woman, like they ferment rice water to apply on their hair and to promote their healthy hair growth. But I think it will not work for everyone because all people's hair type are different, and especially European people's hair type are not same as Chinese women. So I wanna introduce you like good method. It will work for everyone because it really works for me too, and there are many scientific background too about like rice water's nutrient, because this water include good minerals and also inositol. Inositol are important element for your beautiful hair. So if you often eat rice, please don't throw away your leftover rice water. I use only first I wash rice lightly with water and drain all, and I only use second or third rice water because first water has many, how can I say, impurities or dirt, so I don't use first water. And I also try to stir well when I wash rice on the second time, so that I can extract important nutrient as much as possible. And I also add a little bit of vitamin C powder into this rice water to lower pH level. And I think young women ferment rice water to lower pH level of rice water, but I really don't recommend to ferment rice water at home, because if you don't have a proper knowledge about fermentation is actually dangerous because it might cause mold or bad bacteria inside of water. So if you don't have enough knowledge or circumstances, I really don't recommend to ferment rice water, and it's easy to lower pH level of water. You just need to add vitamin C powder or citric acid, or you can also use apple cider vinegar, and it's also easier than fermentation. So I always add vitamin C powder, and I will link my favorite one below after I post this video. And yeah, and how I use, I just put this water into such a container and just wash my face well with this water first, and after that I soak my hair for a while. And during winter time, be careful not please don't catch cold because this water is cold. So after I warm up my body well and hot shower, I just try to do that, like wash my face and wash my hair, soak my hair and my head, like to nourish my scalp and also hair too. And it is enough, like you don't need to use this as rinse. I just soak my face and my scalp before I start to wash whole my body. Just to, how can I say, activate my skin and scalp and try to absorb good nutrient and prebiotics in this water well into my skin and scalp. And it really works for me to keep, how can I say, thick and healthy hair. And I tend to have, how can I say, very frizzy and curly hair because of I dye my hair very bright color. But this really helped me to, grow my hair faster and also smell very good. If you like citric scent, you can also put some lemon peel or lime peel or grapefruit peel into this water and wait for a while. But I don't recommend you to ferment rice water because it will not smell good too. And I use rice water before washing my hair and face. So it's important things because it's better because if you, how can I say, pack your hair with rice water like every day, it will be too much protein. So, and too much protein also isn't good for your hair. This method you can also practice every day. And also doesn't cost anything if you are a person who love rice and eat rice often. I'm Japanese, so I often eat Japanese rice. So this is rice water from Japanese rice, but you can also use jasmine rice or basmati rice. Jasmine rice also smells so good. So I love jasmine rice, but my husband prefers to eat Japanese rice. So yeah, and also sticky rice also works too. Any rice works, but I think brown rice has too much impurities and how can I say that? Brown rice water include more, how can I say, pesticide from soil. So don't use brown rice. Like just use white rice for, how can I say, for for rice water beauty routine. And now I wanna introduce you some of my favorite product. It really worked for me because after I immigrated to the US, like I tried so many hair products and at last I found really good product and at a good price. So I just wanna introduce you at the end. And I also recommend this brand to my German friend. And she also agree with me, like this treatment smells so good and also work well to keep her healthy hair. Yeah, Kundal. You can easily buy on Amazon USA and now it's maybe only $8 or $9. And I also love baby powder smell. They also have many options, so you can choose your favorite scent. But I love this one, white musk the most. Yeah, Kundal is really amazing product. I also really love this scent. The vanilla beans Noel from Bath and Body Works. I love all. Yeah, but this is only seasonal, so like after Christmas I always buy all like the body lotion and body wash and body scrub of Vanilla Noel. This also smells so good. And also, yeah, this is also same treatment. And I also love this. Milbon is Japan brand, and my hairstylist always he gives me this hair repair treatment after I ask him to cut my hair and dye my hair. And he asked me to use this one once a week, and this is an amazing product, but I think it's too pricey to buy. How can I say? I think this is too pricey to use so often. So for me, this is enough. So I sometimes give away this to my friends because, how can I say that? This really good treatment, so I just want my friend to enjoy the effect. Yeah. But if you are rich enough to buy Milbon product or Milbon line product, you can try if you really want to have a beautiful hair and don't care about money. Yeah, Milbon is recommendable brand, and they also have very good smell hair oil too. And at the end, I love this soap a lot. My husband, my mother-in-law gave me this soap before, and this soap you can wash all over your body, face and hair and body. And this soap is not alkaline soap like normal soap, so control pH level and also include vitamin E. So it's also very good for sensitive skin or people who has rosacea. I tend to have reddish skin, reddish cheek after I get suntan. Yeah, my skin is very pale and sensitive and dry skin, so yeah. And this soap helps me to keep my skin healthy and to keep good pH level. And when you are too tired to wash your hair, this soap really helpful. And also during the trip, you can just bring this soap and wash both your hair and face and body. And this doesn't dry up your hair too. And you also don't need to apply treatment or conditioner. Yeah, your hair become very smooth because this isn't alkaline soap. Yeah, and shampoo is also alkaline. So this is very good. Easy to wash. I will link this soap below later too. Anyway, thank you for watching. And if you have a question about rice water, just leave a comment. For me, I will answer the question later. Thank you for watching. I hope this will help you to keep your healthy hair, and also this method is also recommendable to prevent gray hair or balding. Yeah, so if you are guys who want to promote your healthy hair growth, this will be, yeah, also worked. I hope it will work for you. But it depends on people's genetic, I think. So I can't have responsibility, but it has a worth to try because it will not cost anything. So why don't you try? Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.